Mr. Bear and the Bird. Mr. Bear was out at the park where he stopped by his favorite bench, and then he passed by his favorite tree. And then he crossed his favorite bridge. Mr. Bear was really a pro at this, until one time he found a little tree with the bluebird. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Can you help me build the nest? Sure. Thank you. No problem. So Mr. Bear set off on his quest to get the twigs for the bird. He already knew where to check because he's seen twigs everywhere he went. By his favorite tree. Oh boy, it was fun. Mr. Bear had collected the twigs by his tree. Then he went by the bench. He got the twigs in his mouth because his hands were for walking, since after all he is a bear. He crossed his favorite tree once again and got 3 twigs. Mr. Bear was thinking to go slow, as there may be squirrels in the trees. So he crossed his favorite bridge once more. He returned to the bluebird. Here you go! Thanks! Hooray! The bird had finished building the nest. Bye! Mr. Bear was going to head back home. The end. Thank you for watching.